Hey everyone, welcome back. Did you know the sun beams enough energy to power the entire planet for a year in just 1 hour? 1 hour. And yet, most of us are stuck paying sky-high electricity bills and crossing our fingers during blackouts. Isn't that crazy? That's why today we're diving into the world of smart solar systems you can actually buy right now, not just dream about, so you can take back control of your power. We've rounded up the top 6 portable and whole home kits on Amazon, from massive off-grid setups to the most practical portable generators. We'll break down features, compare costs, and highlight which ones are truly smart for your home, cabin, or van life. We've split the list into 2 categories: massive off-grid kits and portable generators, so stick around for the final comparison where we crown the ultimate winner. Links to everything are in the description. Check them out as we go. 6. Eco-worthy 5 kilowatt off-grid solar system complete kit. Starting with number 6, the eco-worthy 5 kilowatt off-grid solar kit is a budget-friendly entry into serious home energy independence. It bundles 12 195-watt monocrystalline panels, 2,340 watts total, a 5 kilowatt hybrid inverter, and a 5.12 kilowatt-hour 48-volt 100 ampere-hour LIFE EP04 battery into one package, saving you the headache of sourcing components separately. The integrated inverter and MPPT controller simplify wiring and installation, making it approachable for intermediate DIYers. However, the 120-volt output is a limitation for North American homes with 240-volt appliances like central AC or electric stoves, requiring a second inverter and paralleling kit to fully power your home, something premium kits like SolarSource solve out of the box. On the plus side, the included LIFE EP04 battery offers 6,000 cycles at 80% DoD and comes with communication options like CAN, RS485, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi for app-based monitoring, giving you commercial-grade battery intelligence at a fraction of the cost. Overall, this kit is perfect for workshops, cabins, or smaller homes where you want robust 120 volts off-grid power without spending a fortune. What's the first appliance you'd run with a 5 kilowatt setup? Let me know in the comments. 5. ECOFLOW Solar Generator Delta 2 with 220 watt solar panel. At number 5, the ECOFLOW Delta 2 is the speed demon of portable solar generators. Its 1,024 watt-hour LIFE EP04 battery boasts 3,000 plus cycles to 80% capacity, translating to a decade of reliable daily use. What sets it apart is extreme fast charging, going from 0 to 80% in just 50 minutes via AC, and continuous AC output of 1,800 watts, 2,200 watts with X-Boost, enough to power almost any household appliance, power tools, or full-size fridge. Maximum solar input is 500 watts, which allows efficient daylight top-ups, and the system can expand by chaining an extra battery for more capacity, a feature missing from competitors like Jackery and ALLPOWERS. At 27 pounds, it's reasonably portable, and the companion app provides real-time monitoring for energy usage. Downsides? It isn't fully weatherproof, and the cooling fans can be loud on the full charge. If you value rapid recharge, high output, and long-term battery longevity, the Delta 2 is a top pick. Do you prefer speed over quiet operation for portable power? Drop your thoughts in the comments. 4. ALLPOWERS R1500 LITE Portable Power Station 1,600 watts / 1,056 watt-hours. Number 4 is the ALLPOWERS R1500 LITE, a mid-range powerhouse that emphasizes value and smart functionality with a dedicated UPS feature. Its 1,056 watt-hours LiFePO4 battery delivers 1,600 watts continuous output, enough for critical electronics like desktops, routers, and medical equipment. The sub-15 millisecond UPS ensures uninterrupted operation during outages, a rare feature at this price point. AC recharge is impressively fast, about 90 minutes to full, though the bundled 100-watt solar panel is underpowered relative to its 650-watt solar input maximum, so additional panels are recommended. At 33 pounds, it sacrifices some portability compared to ECOFLOW and Jackery, and its app lacks the refined monitoring of higher-end units. However, its raw power, UPS functionality, and solid LIFE EPO4 battery make it ideal for users prioritizing home backup or small office reliability on a budget. Would you trade sleek software for maximum output and UPS protection? Let me know in the comments. 3. OUKITEL P2001 Plus, 2,400 watt solar generator, 2,048 watt hours. Coming in at number 3, the OUKITEL P2001 Plus is designed for maximum output and capacity without premium pricing. Its 2,048 watt-hours LIFE EPO4 battery supports 2,400 watts continuous AC output with 4,800 watts surge, making it capable of powering several high-demand appliances simultaneously. Unique to this unit is adjustable AC input via a knob or app, allowing you to control charging speed to prevent tripping breakers. The sub-10 millisecond UPS ensures seamless transitions during outages, protecting sensitive equipment, while its solar input maxes at 500 watts, slower than competitors. Like the Delta II Max, its raw power, adjustable fast charging, and high-capacity battery make it ideal for small homes or cabins where maximum output and UPS functionality are priorities. At 48.5 pounds, it's less portable than 1 kilowatt-hour units, but excels in control and sheer wattage. For those running multiple high-draw devices simultaneously, this is the ultimate mid-range pick. Which high-draw appliance would you power first? Comment below. 2. Eco-worthy home off-grid solar power system. 10 kilowatts. 15.36 kilowatt-hours LiFePO4. Stepping up to true whole-home power, the eco-worthy 10 kilowatt off-grid system pairs 4.92 kilowatts of solar panels with a 10 kilowatt hybrid inverter and 15.36 kilowatt hours of LiFePO4 storage. Unlike the 5 kilowatt kit, this inverter natively handles 120 volts / 240 volts split phase, effortlessly powering central AC, large pumps, and other 240 volt loads. UL1973 and UL9540A certified batteries provide safety and longevity, 4,000 plus cycles. The system is modular and expandable up to 11 kilowatts solar and 160 kilowatt hours storage, making it a massive off-grid solution at a fraction of Solarc pricing. The trade-off is complexity. This kit requires professional or highly experienced DIY installation and lacks the sophisticated software and support of premium brands. But it delivers unparalleled certified performance for its cost. What would be the first high-power appliance you'd run with 15 kilowatt hours? Let us know in the comments. 1. Jackery Solar Generator 1000 V2, 1070 watt-hours LIFE EPO4. Topping the portable category is the Jackery 1000 V2, combining portability, reliability, and safety. Its 1070 watt-hour LiFePO4 battery delivers 4,000 plus cycles with a 10-year lifespan, ensuring long-term durability. Weighing just 23.8 pounds and operating at under 22 decibels, it's perfect for family campers or small apartments. Continuous AC output is 1,500 watts, slightly below the Delta II, but the emergency supercharge mode delivers 0 to 100% recharge in about 1 hour, industry-leading for standard portable generators. Maximum solar input is 400 watts, slower than the Delta II. But Jackery compensates with superior portability, quiet operation, and brand trust. UL2743 certification adds a layer of safety unmatched in many competitors. For small homes, campers, or emergency use, this is the top portable pick. Would you prioritize recharge speed or portability? Comment below. We've explored both worlds. Eco-worthy 10 kilowatts for total whole home independence with 15.36 kilowatt hours and split phase power versus Jackery 1000 V2 for portable, fast, quiet, and safe emergency power. If you need full home backup or off-grid living, eco-worthy 10 kilowatts is unbeatable, assuming you can handle installation complexity. If you want accessible, reliable, fast charging, and ultra-portable backup, the Jackery 1000 V2 wins hands down. Which one fits your needs? Comment below. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart solar system guides. Links are in the description for the latest pricing and features. Power your home or your adventure the smart way.